I'm Adrian Wagg. I'm chairman of the Scientific Committee of the ICS, and with me today is Howard Goldman, who's the newly incumbent Education Committee Chair. So, Howard, why should people attend the ICS annual meeting next year?
I think from an educational standpoint, we have always had very high quality education, and we will continue to do that. We've got a bunch of very nice workshops planned with leaders in the field. It's nice because the attendees have the ability to ask questions. That is a must. In the workshops, we definitely leave time for questions and interaction. People can ask questions of leaders in the field. They can find out the latest techniques. We're hoping to have some workshops that involve translational research, things that both clinicians and research people can attend and communicate on. People will get to collaborate with others, network, and really just hopefully learn themselves, as well as take home some of the learnings that they can then pass on to others. Adrian, from a scientific standpoint, you're the scientific chair. What's your take? What can they expect?
The encounters and the networks and the potential for springboarding collaborations is clearly one thing. Setting out your stall in terms of your own research, and of course, disseminating and knowledge translation must be the third, something which I think ICS does very well with high quality presentations and plentiful interaction.
The networking and the point you just raised, now that I think back, so many of the people that I've met and now collaborate with, attend meetings with throughout the world have been via the ICS, particularly via people I've met at the annual meeting.
I think one of the great things about last year in Vienna, in person, that chance to meet up again and reestablish those connections. But I gather the meeting's changing a bit for next year. What have you heard?
So we are going to a 3-day meeting. I think throughout the world, a lot of meetings have been shortened just because there are other pressures on people's time and other issues. So we're going to a 3-day meeting to make it more efficient. However, we intend to maintain the same high level of quality of workshops, abstracts, and all of the other components that are a standard part of the ICS meeting.
Workshops also has a deadline for applications. When might that be?
So the workshop applications, those need to be in January 3rd, so they can be appropriately vetted. And then we are meeting the beginning of February in order to choose which ones we really think would make the most meaningful contribution to the meeting. And we're looking for things, both clinical and research. We're particularly looking for things that have some translational research or clinical things, particularly things that really span some of our subspecialties, whether it's urogynecology, colorectal surgery, functional urology, data sciences, all those sorts of things we're really looking at. But again, January 3rd, have it in.
Thanks, Howard. It's nice chatting to you. I hope all's well.
Likewise. We'll see you all there.